Hi, bonjour, I'm Stephanie from LearnFrenchWithStephanie.com. How to build a sentence in French? Let's talk about it. Welcome to this French lesson. A lot of French learners struggle to build a sentence, so in this course we're going to look at 3 simple sentence structures with examples. Let's go! For this lesson, I advise you my lesson subject pronouns and articles in French. The links are below in the description. So, we're going to start with subject plus conjugated verb plus article plus noun. Let's see our first sentence. J'achète une robe. Je plus vowel becomes J with an apostrophe. So, je is the subject. Achète is a conjugated verb. Une is an article. And robe is a noun. Let's see another example. Il mange une pomme. Il is a subject. Mange is the conjugated verb, une is an article, and pomme is a noun. Marie boit un café. Marie is a subject, boit is the conjugated verb, un is an article, café is a noun. In fact, these French sentences are built like in English, except sometimes in English you don't have article. Okay? You can add an adjective. J'achète une robe bleue. You can notice the adjective is at the end because the general rule for the placement of French adjectives is that they follow the nouns, but some adjectives are placed before the noun. And we'll see some of them at the end of the lesson. Il mange une pomme rouge. Il boit un café noir. The second structure we're going to look at is subject plus verb être or paraître or sembler or avoir l'air conjugated plus adjective. Je suis grande. Je is the subject. Suis is a verb. Grande is an adjective. If you're a man, you say je suis grand. Ma mère est malade. Ma mère is the subject. Est is a verb and malade is an adjective. Il paraît content. Il is the subject, paraît is a verb, content is an adjective. Il semble content or il a l'air content means the same things. The third structure we're going to look at is subject plus verb avoir or posséder conjugated plus noun. J'ai une voiture. Je is the subject, est is a verb, une is an article, and voiture is a noun. Elle a un chien. Elle is the subject, a is a verb, un is an article, and chien is a noun. Nous avons une fille. Nous is the subject, avons is a verb, une is an article, and fille is a noun. Tom possède une maison. Tom is the subject, possède is a verb, une is an article, and maison is a noun. You can add an adjective. As I said earlier, some adjectives are placed before the noun, such as beau and its feminine belle, bon and it's feminine, bonne, gros and it's feminine, grosse, petit and it's feminine, petite, nouveau and it's feminine, nouvelle, grand and it's feminine, grande, vieux and it's feminine, vieille. We say j'ai une voiture grise. Here the adjective is after the noun, but we say j'ai une nouvelle voiture. This adjective is before the noun. Elle a un gros chien. Gros is also in the list, so it's before the noun. It's the same with nous avons une grande fille. Tom possède une grosse maison. Marie a une vieille voiture. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I see you again for new free lesson. See you soon. À bientôt. Au revoir. Bye. The next step is to download my free level test and my free ebook, 5 Steps to Becoming a Confident French Speaker. You learn what you need to do to speak confidently and fluently. Thanks so much. Bye. Au revoir.